Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes. We're going to talk about a special pavilion we built for a family in Nebraska. And the name of this pavilion is the Cornhusker Pavilion. It's 32 by 48, 1,536 square feet. And we used bigger logs to carry the spans. It is massive, it is beautiful. And the setting where it's at is on their lake for their family retreats and their grandchildren and the upcoming generations. So the family is pretty excited about it, and it turned out spectacular. They expanded off the Meadowlark and went 32 by 48, whereas the Meadowlark is 30 by 40. In that process, the span of the trusses are a little greater, so we went several inches bigger on the log sizes to match the span. But it is very similar to the Meadowlark Pavilion, except that it's bigger. So we can custom design pavilions of any size. If you see a pavilion on our website that you like the Cornhusker or the Meadowlark Pavilion, we can custom design it taller, wider, bigger, longer. The choice is yours on the size pavilion that you like to build. A log pavilion provides a great place to have family gatherings, weddings, picnics, even church.
Hi, I'm Ted Vasco. We're here in southeastern Nebraska at our family lake property. We're standing under a structure here built by Meadowlark. Originally there was a structure on the property just north of where this one stands now. It was about 30 years old and we'd been built with used lumber, so we tore it down, and we were fortunate enough to connect up with Elvie at Meadowlark Homes and design this one. We want our grandchildren's children to be playing in this lodge, and so everything we did was built with the focus on what we can do for our family for the next 100 years.
A log pavilion provides shade from the sun, protection from rain and snow. It creates a wonderful centerpiece to gather. You can put fireplaces in them, you can put lighting in them and fans. Some people use them for snowmobile pavilions in the mountains. The sky is the limit when it comes to a pavilion.
The property here is Centennial Lake. We set up the lodge to maximize a view of the lake, looking both west and east and then north across the lake. Elvie was exceptional to work with. He saw our vision. The structure was custom designed to fit our needs, and we couldn't be more happy with it.
If you have more questions about our log pavilions, you can click the link below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe and stay in touch with us, click the link below for the Amish Meadows YouTube channel, or call the number below, or go to our website, meadowlarkloghomes.com. Thanks for watching.